This is a cucumber. Now it's a carrot. Strange how that happens sometimes. Okay, back to the cucumber. Now I love cucumbers, but the problem is they don't really hold their own in a salad, if you know what I mean. For example, when you put on the dressing, it just kind of repels off. It bounces. It doesn't soak up that flavor. They work great with creamy dips, but when you're talking about vinegars and oils and such, it just kind of repels off of them. So that's why I'm so excited to share with you a little trick that I learned in Japan on the best way that I've ever tried to prepare a cucumber. And it goes like this. All you're gonna need is a cucumber and a knife. Something a little sharper. Not serrated though. That one's too big. Hey, just right. So just lay down the cucumber on your cutting board and just start slicing. You're gonna put a bunch of slits in it vertically along the side and just keep rolling the cucumber and cutting it up like this. And that's gonna allow the cucumber, as you're marinating it in whatever sauce that you make, it's gonna absorb into there. So just keep cutting down it. And you can even do some horizontal ones at the end to finish her off, but make those cuts and that's gonna make your cucumber super absorption? And that's gonna allow your cucumber to absorb whatever dressing that you make. And now that your cucumber's all sliced and ready to absorb whatever sauce that you make, it's time to make the dressing. I'm keeping it simple today. You can just choose whatever vinegar you like. And I'm using some tamari, which is like soy sauce basically. And you can even put whatever oil you want. I'm using some sesame oil here today and some salt and whatever spices you want. The world is your cucumber. Now have fun and make up your dressing. And now all you want to do is I'm just going to slice up this cucumber into little chunks with all the little slits in there. Now, as you can see, it was easier to do the slits in the whole form of the cucumber rather than after slicing it. That would be a pain. And now you just put all those slices of cucumber in your dish of choice and pour that dressing in, give it a shake, mix it up, and just let that marinate in the fridge for as long as you want. I'd recommend like a couple hours, maybe overnight, and it's gonna absorb all the goodness of your dressing. Now take a look at this difference here. Here's the regular cucumber, wasting all that delicious sauce. Now, after soaking, compared to before, you can see you've got some sauciness in that cucumber. And that's all there is to it. So that's just a special little trick that I was excited to share. I was about to cook dinner tonight and I was thinking about what I'm gonna do. And I was like, I got a big cucumber. Why not share my special trick? I got excited because I just remembered how to do this. So that's that. Enjoy your future cucumbers, and thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more recipes and all that good stuff. If you want the short version of this, the link is in the description below. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.